What is negative 14.3 divided by negative 13? So let me write this. We have negative 14.3 divided by negative 13. First, we have to check the sign. Negative divided by negative. When we divide negative by negative, like I said many times, or we multiply negative times negative, the answer is always positive. So it will be positive sign. And we have to divide 14.3 by 13. I can write this in parentheses. So we will do long division. We have 14.3 divided by 13. How many times you can put 13 to 14? 1. 1 times 13 is 13. Subtraction. 4 minus 3 is 1. We take up decimal point. 8 take down first digits. So it will be 13 divided by 13 is 1. 1 times 13 is 13. We finish long division. And we got positive sign you don't have to write. 14.3 divided by 13 is 1.1.